I once had a neighbor named Phil who claimed his Prius could go anywhere. He'd drive it through puddles and call it an expedition. Now, let's talk about what makes this thing more than just a retro camper with a funky paint job. Originally a humble two-wheel drive Chinook, it got a full transformation in the early 90s by a Toyota mechanic in the Dallas, Oregon. Clearly a man who thought, why camp near the forest when you can camp inside it? Over 2 years, he Frankensteined together a masterpiece using the frame, suspension, axles, and engine from a 1980 Toyota 4x4 pickup. It's now sitting high with a 3-inch front and 4-inch rear lift, Wild Country XTX sport tires, 31 by 10.5 inches, and a full solid front axle. Under the hood, the legendary 20R 2.2-liter inline-four, fed by dual Mikuni side draft carburetors with K&N air filters. It also comes with a CampAvto's 268 camshaft, oversized valves, a 3-core aluminum radiator, LC Engineering Y-header, Mallory Performance ignition, and a remote oil cooler. Basically, everything short of a helicopter rotor. The power routes through a G52 5-speed manual and a dual-range transfer case with 4.88:1 gears front and rear. I believe that combo could crawl up a boulder and ask for directions. The outside's been repainted in Metallic Walnut, which sounds like a fancy latte, but looks like serious business. There's a brush guard, fog lights, and steel wheels with chrome hubcaps. Yeah, the chrome's chipped on the rear bumper, but so is my neighbor's confidence after seeing this Chinook. Inside, a tasteful time capsule. Recaro seats from a 1985 Toyota Supra with red Chinook embroidery. Custom door cards. Deep pile carpet that makes you want to take off your boots. The center console's custom, the CB radios overhead, and there's even a JDM dash clock. Because knowing the time in Tokyo adds horsepower, right? I think what I liked the most was the glove box signed by Gary Lucart himself, the man behind Chinook. And yes, the cruise control doesn't work, which is fine, because this thing was made for climbing rocks, not cruising boulevards. In the camper section, you'll find an L-shaped couch, a fold-down step, wood-trimmed cabinets with interior lighting, a 2-burner propane cooktop, built-in microwave, dual hammocks, a stowaway dinette table, and a stainless sink with a butcher block cover. The bed folds out over the cab, and I believe 2 full-sized adults could comfortably dream about fuel prices up there. Mileage? Just over 44,000 miles on the 5-digit odometer. That's fewer miles than most of Timmy's lawnmower engines. And he's not even cutting grass. He's racing squirrels. This camper has been in shows, storage, and now it's up for grabs again. If you're the kind of person who likes their coffee black, their gear manual, and their camping remote, this Chinook's your spirit vehicle.